Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting a clear business objective, demand prediction, seasonal planning, or competitor monitoring. Once done, gather 5 to 10 seed keywords, product SKUs, brand names, and target regions. Then open Google Trends, set the time range, and switch to compare mode. This lets you view relative interest immediately. You do this now so data shapes your strategy, not the other way around. Make sure to choose appropriate geographic and category filters, so results are relevant to your market segment. Once you have filters in place, read the interest over time chart to identify seasonality and sudden demand spikes. You should compare multiple terms side by side, change categories to control noise, and inspect related queries for rising topics you might capitalize on. Then drill into subregion data to find local pockets of demand and export CSVs for quantitative checks. Make sure to test different time windows, 1 year versus 5 years, to distinguish trends from short-lived anomalies. Now convert signals into operational moves. Prioritize SKUs and regions with rising relative interest, and update inventory and ad budgets to match peak windows. Create a marketing calendar tied to predicted spikes and use rising queries for headline testing and content ideas. Once campaigns run, monitor performance and iterate. Trends should guide hypotheses, not replace A/B testing. If results look sparse or inconsistent, rerun the same analysis using synonyms, broader categories, or adjacent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.